Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 12FS and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Now we have to tap on language and region, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. I've got English and Russian, so let me choose another one. Let's tap on edit. And right here we've got the list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all we have to do is to find the language you'd like to apply. I'll choose Turkish. Let me just tap on this plus icon and your device will immediately ask whether you want to set this language as a default one. So just tap on yes. And as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one languages added in this list, then you can quickly change them just by reordering. So let me set English, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Your device will of course ask you whether you want to do it or not, whether you want to change the language. So simply tap on change, and from now on everything will be displayed in the English language, in English in my case. Of course, we can also remove the languages from this list. Tap on edit and tap on this minus icon next to it. Of course, it will come back to this list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.